As we had a lot to get to this half hour, starting with the latest from Karen Reed's retrial, where an intense dispute over DNA evidence is taking center stage now.
NBC senior legal correspondent Laura Jarrett has been following this trial closely. Laura, good morning.
Hey, good morning, guys. The point of almost every defense witness so far has been to offer an alternative explanation for how the victim died if Karen Reed didn't hit him. But it's a risky strategy, and it's now on full display as the prosecution tries to pick apart each one. We want to warn you, some of the images that you are about to see from this trial are disturbing.
This morning, Karen Reed's defense marches on after the judge refused to grant her attorney's latest motion for mistrial.
The motion for mistrial is denied.
The dispute rooted in DNA evidence, with the defense attempting to convince the jury that Boston police officer John O'Keefe didn't die from a fatal blow by Reed's SUV, but after she dropped him off at a house party with a German Shepherd.
I was asked to give an opinion about these wounds caused by a motor vehicle collision.
Forensic pathologist Dr. Marie Russell sparring with the prosecution.
Do you have any memory issues?
No.
Telling jurors these marks on O'Keefe's arm are consistent with a dog attack, not a car crash.
When you look at a photo like you do of John O'Keefe's arm, you're just eyeballing it based on your personal experience with dog bites, rather than relying on some type of scientific foundation that has been published and accepted in the community.
Objection, Your Honor. I'm going to allow that.
Isn't that fair to say, Dr. Russell?
No, absolutely not.
The prosecution also grilling Dr. Russell about the absence of dog DNA on O'Keefe's clothing, setting off a defense objection.
The defense moves strongly, vigorously for a mistrial with prejudice.
The judge ultimately denying that and allowing the questioning.
Now, when a dog bites a sweater, would you expect that it would leave DNA?
Yes.
When a dog bites a sweater, you would not expect it would leave little fragments of taillight shards in clothes, would you?
Correct.
Reed outside of court projecting optimism.
How do you feel about the defense case so far?
I feel strong.
But also still appearing undecided about whether she should take the stand in her own defense.
I'm ambivalent, and by ambivalent, I could get on board with either one. I feel strongly either way.
So on top of this dog bite theory that's taking center stage, the defense is also wanted jurors that they want to sow doubt in the idea that this crash was causing the death. So how's that going?
Yeah, so they called a police officer who said, look, I looked at the evidence photos of Karen Reed's tail light, and I saw it in person, and they look very different. Because they want to sort of suggest that the police must have tampered with her tail light in some way to try to frame her, to try to cover up their own wrongdoing. The problem is they don't have anybody who has testified to that. They don't have anybody who says they saw the police tampering or the police told me they tampered. And so it's all sort of being done by insinuation. Now, it may be enough to sow reasonable doubt, but they do not have any direct testimony. And they still have some witnesses to go here, guys.
And that was a theory that came up in the first trial as well, the frame up and the tampering with the tail light.
And it resulted in a mistrial last time. We'll see.
Okay, Laura, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.